Okay, guys, listen up. We actually are gonna make one box truck. Yes, box truck. Where Jamaican children normally make. Okay? So, the other day I asked my son, as I telling him before, someone wanted to make a box truck for me, and he said no for make it because. Oh, yes, because him say he never used to go outside and play with the boys and he don't know how to make it. So now my husband gonna teach him how to make it. So turn and sit up while I dance. Yeah. Turn and sit up while I dance. What that mean? Wait and see everything so work out. Yeah. You don't know bamboo?
No, bamboo with a truck.
Okay.
And you know the bamboo they use make kite, small kite. Yeah. The bamboo that way you strip. That. When I talk to sea bamboo, you know. When you peel off of the bow. You strip it off of the bow and then you strip it and get with the stick off it.
Okay guys, so this is the box that we're going to use. We're going to use milk box, empty milk box to build the truck. So my husband buy these on Amazon. He's going to use it, but back then they used to use bottle cover, bottle cork, buckle stopper, whichever one they call it. So these are the stuff that they're going to use to make the truck. But you know, you know, actually buy this one for be the trailer. But then when we're looking at the supermarket, Mr. said it was gonna uneven. So this box was too big for them small one here. So I ended up have to go back, go buy this to match it. So the one here a little longer, as you can see. So this one I gonna be the trailer. So right now we're going to get it started, where my husband is going to do the cutting off and the cutting up to start get the truck put together. Also, you're literally going to cut off right here, so why not you use a scissors?
Scissors not gonna cut it. Scissors not gonna cut it.
Also, that you don't want the razor blade up.
You have to hold the razor blade.
Do it.
The knife not so sharp.
Like a chamba.
You get excited? So you see, actually I learned today how to make box truck. You're never too old to learn. What you say?
This is the original box truck.
And these are the original box truck.
The truck with them up here say box truck and this is the original box truck. And this make out a box.
Yeah, this makes out a box.
The original box truck.
This you call you're never too old to learn. You damage it well? Oh. So you have to cut off the top. Hey, Jamaican children, them now have fun again, you know. Trust me. Them no, enough of them don't know if make them something here for real. Like when it go up on the corner, it order. What, son? Yeah, move fast at that age, man. Eh?
You're gonna cut off this completely.
Oh, you're not cut it off completely.
So that's alright. Right now,
Them are gonna use them otherwise, but this are the head. So,
Yeah, cut down on the side there, so. Yeah, cut yourself, man.
just cut yourself and then you can make them. We're no business.
Okay. So kind of make me see. So you cut it off like that.
I chuck it.
Wow.
So gonna be this are the head, but you know done this. This are the all-time days of chuck. Them chucking nowadays no look so.
They're not so fancy.
Them are more fancy nowadays. Them one at all-time days when them not so fancy.
So you cut it down there, so.
Yeah.
What's there? But backstroke harder than me think, man.
That's
But edge me nah
that's
see
all
it.
you make it. Yeah. That's something you learn to make it.
Let's see. Let me look on the wrong side.
That's the cab. That's the wheel. Front part.
So you're gonna do the two of them?
That's. I work on the cab first. Cause the cab have more work in it.
I never know see a backstroke hard for me. Think it is easier than that.
Always easy when you know. Hard when you don't know.
But that knife will not happen.
It's not in make so neat still, you know. So I make it neater than this.
Cockroach. Boy. You see all of this? And then you go fold this up.
Yeah. Cause this is the trailer head, you know. The trailer head.
Yes, sir. What a kusho kasha. I never see this. Why?
But I think we come as long as I should have longer. We should have go up more with the cut. You know? Cut this too deep. But it can. It's still can work.
Okay, so this is the trailer head.
The wheel ain't gone on yet.
Okay, let's see what's going over here so now.
This is the trailer. Yes, I call him this. I'm trying to make sure I don't cut this. Definitely want one more long.
Gotta glue that?
No. You push it up like this.
Oh. So guys, this is an original box truck making from scratch. Box truck whenever I drive on road and a box truck them there. And this a box truck.
You know why? Tell them why.
Because this a box.
It's make out a box. Yes, I took them and drive on road make out a iron and metal.
No man, the box truck is fancy bad. It is fancy. Okay, so
If you never cut that still and the wheel not gone on yet.
okay. So you have to keep it over here so we can't we can't see it.
Alright, this is the image.
Right.
We make a bad cut up here, so this shouldn't cut. Because we don't have no more vagina. So we really shouldn't cut this.
Wow.
So I'm going to put on the wheel and now. If we did have our next small box, I put out this and Jai push it up into this. And I get a better.
Alright, so you know what? We're not gonna finish it yet. We're not gonna wait till I buy this.
One more box. Wheel.
So it's
I don't remember the first step.
what you say? I didn't.
I use them wheel before, so I just have measure them. I use them before. Yes, I'll see. Beginner, man. Alright. Put that right there, so.
Yep. I gotta drive out my box truck around the back in the summer, you see me?
Want a contract, you know?
Yeah, I want a contract for go pick up some load. I forgot go up on the load board. Go look some load for them box truck, yeah. Shot boat. You ready for drive it? Yeah. I thought you would have just used this and board the box.
Yeah, no.
Oh, that yellow though?
See my market, so now my wheel straight. I put it half inch back. Half inch back.
Making the box truck box. Yeah, man. Half an inch. So when I can use them look at tire here, the tire here, do know.
I'll make some more. I'll sell.
You love that about sell.
$10 for the box.
Yeah. $10 for the box of them wheel here for Amazon.
yeah.
$11 for Amazon. But normally them here we would use them buckles cover here.
Make them and sell them.
You might want them have to buy.
Yes.
No way.
If you make them more, you know,
Fancy.
fancy.
Yeah, with board or maybe something like that.
No, them here, but you can fancy it up, you know. Put on all the fixtures, you know, the gas tank, put on, you know.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a lot of work.
Yeah, you have to work with the glue.
Career.
Don't carry them if I tell you.
Yeah, if you're gonna do it, you're gonna sell it. Yeah.
That's so lame to buy them, yeah.
Just do it.
I promise you. Unless I some
Whereas if you sell
unless
it
I
more
some
expensive-
Jamaican grandma where
Whereas if you sell it more expensive than Amazon.
unless I some Jamaican grandma where grew up in the back in the days like myself, yeah. And yeah.
No, you can't take it double. Them are too big. So,
Boom, put that speaker box in there.
No, not push it. How the speaker gonna work with battery? Watch there.
Put that earpod in there.
you want to see Omar make them, yeah?
One of the little, one of the small.
Oh my god. Omar different in everything when you do, you know.
It's special.
You want to make skate, feel skate.
Especially he have that kind of smartness there to build things. You know, some people them like that. You know, them just smart in a certain field where they like and have a passion for. Omar smart in a building, and when he might do things, him do it neat. So you measure up everything. You do it too perfect now, man. You not have to go all of that.
No, it's my career, you know.
Yeah, do
And
it
so I
too.
go online, you know.
I'm going to sell it. You know what I mean?
I promote myself. You know.
When they pick me up, make no, they just hurry up and bill it and done, but it take too long. Back in the days when I make them see there that a tape measure we don't use.
No. This I
But
go online, this I
different.
put up, you
This I
know.
sell. This I get seller.
Really?
$100 a piece.
I want to go sell it.
You know what I mean? A real material, this, you know. You see a real there. You know, go for my car.
This is the vintage way, this is the original way.
Yeah, put them on your car. I'm never afraid.
One wheel car from yourself. Make it a 6-wheeler. One yourself.
Mm.
One on the back. And up at front. 6-wheeler this.
You want something for all this.
Toothpick. Use a toothpick. Yeah. Big Cora, tell me who bada. So here comes the backstroke. It's almost done.
It's a tractor trailer actually.
Yeah.
Original box tractor trailer.
Truck are just one box like this. It's a trailer because a long part.
Right. Yeah, oh, this is a trailer. Because it have this part of the trailer. Alright. Watch there. Good day. Let me turn it around there. This is the head there. See?
Some action bag. Back home we use bamboo, sea bamboo. No, I see bamboo.
But regular bamboo stick.
Regular bamboo, coconut bamboo, the one there.
Coconut or bamboo?
Like, you know the part that come off like coconut tree, the bough.
Yeah.
You can jump up and dry down.
Yeah, you can use them, off of the leaf, yeah. And you can use what you call it? You know that thing they name where them use put shrimp on the grill, them stick there. I have some here, you know.
Bamboo too.
Yeah.
But we never have access to sea bamboo so much like them kind of bamboo.
Okay.
Like the regular bamboo.
And then put something on it. I want a string to pull it.
Yeah.
And put one string on it to pull it.
Jaja.
Front right, so I put a string on it and put a stone in it for hold it down. But them wheels are too close.
Yeah, close.
They're
See,
close.
They're too close. They look so close.
Well, then get the point. Chat boat. Hey! What not happening in a years, what happening in a day. See that? Backstroke. Big Cora, tell me who bad that.
Drive.
Yo, this is so fun. Should I give them a rundown on the truck again, you know, how it look, you know. See how them cut out the box, yeah. So them cut out the box and then cut off the top of that, push it down in here, so see how the head make there. I don't know back then the pitney. When me I grew up, me used to see it so fancy. That one is more fancier. And then you just bore, if you put in the wheel them, see? Just bore it, put on the wheels. This are the technique about it, you know. Yeah. The technique part. You have to know how to line up the wheels. Siobhan, you have to pay attention.
We know how to do the wheel part.
You have to pay attention to class.
The cut out part. Up yourself, you do it for the front, you know.
You know, get that part there.
Maybe not pay attention to stuff.
And I say pay attention, it kind of a little bit quick technique. But it's not that hard.
Probably can just make a truck like this with no cutout, just one wheel.
I think they make it so too.
Pascal Watts box. You should make truck with all that too. You should make van.
Yeah.
That.
Wow.
Like delivery van. And then I go send like the wheel part, I'm not doing a measurement, I just judge it. It's like how the wall of the wheel is still up on the ground. Probably don't know.
Now go slung so, cause you know measure it up.
You know. I go so hard.
Yeah, rush it now. Should me tell us you're not gonna be so neat.
Yeah.
Papa Jesus. I will go so. Grandfather, if I make them look something with them grand pitney, especially them little grand boy pitney.
Grand pitney want to make God.
Right?
Yes, some of them want to play a game. No, I don't know. Yep. See that? Alright, so we have to show them.
We use something all along this.
Yeah.
So it not drop out. But not to do that.
Yeah, not to do that. But you can do a little glue or something. Yeah, your measurement.
So I measure it processor. This is 3 inches, so if you get it in the middle, you take it 1.5.
Okay.
Normally we use a nail, right? So and setup right is different, but we ready.
Yo.
We ready.
Truck stop.
We're ready. Okay, that again. As we did tell you before, we need another box to put up right here, so we're missing a part. But if not make you see right in here, so. Okay, so but after that, this is the head of the truck. And this is how the truck look when it's done. But we need another box like this. Put right there, so for black out it so you can't see inside. Yeah. But there goes the truck.
Some light on it now.
Draw the light upon it and the grill.
Yeah.
Draw them things upon it and make this longer.
Right. And you don't really get them box here up here like that. This would have be the ideal box, not lie.
But if you did have a short one, isn't it?
This would have be the ideal box. But we don't have no small box to match up with them here at the supermarket.
And the box are, you know, so the box are actually good still. I'm going to make a next one now. This is an all-time model truck. We're going to make one newer model truck now, because they're not make them short front truck here again. Truck they're going to make no front, no long. Long front truck then. So I'm going to use P long box on it.
P long box?
Yeah.
Okay. You mean P them one now?
Them on it. You're going to join up 2 long box to the back.
But you really only need big box, you know?
No, them are good. Them are good.
No, but if you have P them big box, you can still just cut them off and use them.
Yeah, because they're long. Because it's long.
Right.
But what happened now, we don't want to use one of them small ones on there. So
okay.
And we come full it out. Yeah.